With odoo purchases, you can define a validation process whereby only a manager can validate a purchase order that exceeds a certain total amount. And for that, we need to log into our system, to go to Purchases, and activate the force 2 levels of approvals and click Apply. This will allow us to define a threshold upon which we need a manager to validate any purchase order. By default, it is 5,000. Now only managers can approve purchase orders that exceed this amount. Let's go to Users and check our users. The administrator is a manager for purchases, and the other user is only a simple user for purchases. This means that the purchase employee cannot validate the purchase orders that exceeds $5,000. So for the example, let us log into odoo as a purchase employee who is not a manager and create a request for quotation for the one-stop shop supplier and take 10 units or 10 tables that cost $750 each and update this request for quotation. We can see that the total amount exceeds 5,000. We'll then save and confirm this. We can see that the purchase order is now in a new state, which is waiting for approval, and we don't have any button that allows us to confirm this purchase order. And this is because we are not a manager, as we are logged into the system as the purchase employee. Now we need to log into the system as a manager in order to approve this request for quotation and transform it to a purchase order. We log into as the administrator, who is a manager in purchases, and we can see that there is a pending request for quotation which is waiting our approval. We will open it, and we can see that we have an approve button, and we simply say we approve this request for quotation to send it to the purchase confirmed state. Now we have confirmed this request for quotation, and that's how it works with double validation on purchases in odoo.